In the 10th canto of Bhagavatam, in chapter 30, the gopis were separated from Krishna during the rasa dance, so they were looking for him. And they were going around and they were speaking to the trees and to the land and to Tulsi plant. They were saying, "Oh, have you seen Krishna as he passed by here?" So there's a very nice, the gopis are describing how the creepers, creepers. It seems, because if you look at these small latas or creepers, on their vines, their stems, there's little tiny hairs, like on a human body there's hairs or whatever. So there's little tiny hairs. So the gopis they touch those creepers and they see the hairs standing on end. They say, "Oh, Krishna, you must be in ecstasy. Krishna must have walked by here and touched you with his hands. So therefore your hairs on your body are standing erect." Romancha kampa ashru. These are symptoms of sattvic vikara, transformations due to intense bliss or happiness. So they say there that they say latakara ja sprishta. This is in the Sanskrit. Latakara ja sprishta. It says, "Oh, Krishna must have touched you with his hands, and that's why you're feeling so ecstatic. So can you please show us where is Krishna so we can touch him with our hands and he can touch us with his hands also, and we will also feel ecstatic like you creepers do." So in Braj there's a famous bhajan. It was famous years ago. Braj ke lata patabi bole Shri Radha Radha Nidhiban me bolo Nidhiban me bandur bolo Shri Radha Radha. That's one of the funniest lines. Nidhiban me bandur bole Shri Radha Radha. So that particular line of bhajan says, in Nidhiban, the monkeys, bandur, are chanting Shri Radha, Shri Radha, as they steal your shoes, and they steal your glasses, and they steal your camera. Radha, Radha, Shri Radha. At least that's what the bhajan says. You may hear something else or see something else when you go to Nidhiban. So this is the latas of Vrindavan. Braj ke lata patabi bole Shri Radha Radha. Radha Radha Radha. Everywhere in Vrindavan, everything is Radha. You can see that Prabodhananda Saraswati, he lived in Vrindavan for 20, 30 years. He wrote this book in Vrindavan, and he wrote another book in Vrindavan, Vrindavan Mahimamritam. And these books are the byproducts of his bhav and his prem, his experiences, direct experiences of Radha and Krishna. So you can see in this verse, he's simply, basically this verse is simply saying, Radha, 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 Radha. He's saying, Radha Karavicha Palava Balarike, Radha Patanka Vilasan, Radha Yasho. Radha, like you have some examination, you take an examination. Fantastic means, and then there's four selections, A, B, C, D. The word fantastic means, then amazing, or whatever, then there's A, B, C selection. So Radha is, and then you fill in the blanks. Thousands of, and these rasa janas, these advanced devotees, you just say, I'll give you two words. Now you fill it in. Radha is. And then, they'll write whole books. Radha is this, Radha is that, Radha is that. This is the madness of prem, that the Sakhis and Manjaris and everyone in Vrindavan is mad about Radharani. And who's the maddest? Because we're all chanting Radharani because she's Karunamayi. We want her mercy. We want to serve Radharani. And serving Radharani means serving Krishna and serving them together. So automatically Krishna's service is included by chanting Radhe Radhe. But what does Radharani chant? Does Radharani chant Radhe Radhe? No. She chants Krishna, 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 Krishna. Mahaprabhu is Krishna and Radha Bhav. So when he's touring South India, he's everywhere. Krishna, Krishna Kotai, Krishna Kotai. Where is my Krishna? Where is my Prananath? Mera Prananath Kotai. So Radharani is chanting Krishna. We're not chanting Krishna. We're chanting Radhe. Brijvasis are all chanting Radhe Radhe.